What's up? Welcome back to Modern Traders. I'm Ben. I'll be your host. Before we get started, I'm going to invite you over to the free Discord. We have daily watch lists and callouts. Modern Traders LLC on Insta and moderntradersllc.com. We put a lot of work into trying to get these videos out for you daily. So if you get anything out of it, please do remember to like and subscribe. Get us a little love with the YouTube algorithm. And on today's Weed Watch Weekly, we're talking about the uptick in pretty much the whole cannabis sector. Recently, we saw legislation discussed heating up the cannabis sector. And obviously, this isn't something we expect to see pushed through, but it is drawing attention and some positive outlook on the sector in general, and is causing an upswing in all of our favorite marijuana stocks, pretty much across the board, with a couple of exceptions. And we did recently see, in addition to the federal legalization talk, we've seen recent legalization and recriminalization in Illinois, New York, etc. So we taking a look at some of our favorites. Tilray has been on an uptick finally after the Afria merger downswing we saw. One of our next favorite, Organigram's my top holding in the MJ sector right now. We're seeing it as a very nice uptick and a hold above that $3 support level to indicate that it's trying to move back to that $5 region. Maramed, we actually have seen almost a 50-cent increase since we covered this one, and it's still on the upswing. And True Leaf is the only one we haven't seen really pick up just yet, but we are still seeing that steady hold at the $38 support level. So we'll be watching for that to hold and keeping it on the radar for a move to the top. And of course, Sundial, which is always one of the biggest ones to be heated up and one of the biggest volume producers when we see the marijuana sector in general start to heat up. And I do want to keep in mind that Sundial did recently have a huge spike up in the GameStop craze and then swing back down. So something to be aware of. But Sundial, just covered as a company, just just a general marijuana producer company, not a huge profit maker just yet, not a huge in the industry just yet, but we will expect to see the entire cannabis industry as a whole be benefited when we do see the upswing start. And Sundial is after that recent huge spike we saw back in the beginning of the year. Sundial did cool way off when they did an offering, but what a lot of people don't realize with these offerings that they do bring the stock price down in the short term, but in the long term, that money is going to be used to put back into the company to take care of debts, to alleviate long-term debts, to just put back into production going forward. And these are all things that will carry the company to higher valuation going down the road. They have used a successful combination of equity offerings and cash disposition to have undertaken an array of consecutive successful capital raising activities, strengthening their cash position in the Q4 2020. Sundial raised 161 million, but they did issue 750 million additional shares, which is definitely going to produce the concerns for dilution that we need to watch out for going forward. And we would probably expect this company to do another share offering of this type. Probably not such a huge one, but something to be just aware of going in with this company. But we do see it breaking over the $1 level today. And that $1 support hold is a pretty huge psychological factor in these penny stocks in general. So definitely one to have on your radar, guys. Definitely one that I see spiking up in the near future. So until next time, I'm Ben. It's Modern Traders. Thanks for stopping by.